Hi, my name is David Bursick. I'm with Nissan. I'm here to present the 2019 Nisan Murano. Before I get started, I just want to let you know, Nissan created this segment, this CUV segment, the crossover utility segment, when they brought out the Murano in 2002. We set the bar, and now we're raising it with the 2019. As you can see in the front here, we got a new V-Motion grille, much more aggressive. Also, the bottom and front and upper bumper are new. As you can see on the headlights, LED. Better for vision, night driving, obviously, you can see further. And then also the LED taillights as well.
Okay, we'll see that as well.
Fog lights, LED fog lights, those
cool.
are optional. This is the Platinum trim. This is one of the new colors. We have, this is the deep blue pearl. It has two other colors also. So one thing with our customers, they like to customize their vehicles. So with three different new colors, we also have different wheels for all four trims, S through Platinum. This is the 20-inch new wheel for the Platinum. If you look inside, you see our brand new semi-aniline leather with quilted diamond inserts. So this is kind of based off of our supercar GTR. We brought it to the Murano level too. You also see on the inside, we have new premium trim film, both on the door panel, the dash, the center console. So these are kind of new features that we're trying to incorporate into the new Murano. Technology. I would be remiss if I didn't tell you about the new technology. We're introducing a new concept called Safety Shield 360. This is a suite of 6 active safety features that you pretty much give a bubble of protection for the occupants inside, both front, side, and rear. Last but certainly not least, we have a new feature on the Murano called the Rear Door Alert. 9 models for Nissan are going to have this for 2019. And how it works, I have 3 kids, a little bit older, but when they were younger, I wish we had this feature. Basically, you start the car up, you load your children up, and you go off on your adventure. The car is monitoring this. They know that the car has been started. They know that the rear door, the second row was open. When you shut the car off, if you forget to go open up that second row, there will be a visual and audible alert to the driver to let them know that you left something behind in the second row. Great feature for families and children or the like. So it's a great opportunity. This goes on sale in December of 2018, so later this next month, and we're very excited. Thank you so much.